How to make a track for your circular saw in less than 5 minutes using offcuts and a handful of screws. This 2-inch wide strip of 3/4 inch plywood will be the fence. Line it up on the edge of an 8-inch wide plywood base. You want to make sure that when your saw is pressed against the fence, the blade is not extending past the edge of your bottom board. Screw your fence down on each end. I use a 4-foot level to make sure there is no bowing in the fence, and then screw it down in the middle. Finally, run your saw along the fence, removing any excess. The bottom board will now be a guide for your blade. That's all it takes. Now you're ready to make some surprisingly straight cuts.